Guys, where are we going today?
Disneyland.
What park are we going to?
Disneyland.
Animal Kingdom. Yeah. You guys ready to ride on that? Alright, we're walking right on. It said 0-minute wait. We'll see. You ready, Lucia? There's Pep coming up here. We'll wave to him. Look, he's right here. See him? Wave. Look. There he is. This one's ours. Okay, big step.
Items you can leave it there. They kind of look like rocks in the water. You can also see pink-backed pelicans on the island to the left. They get their name because the males turn pink in mating season. They live in pods of 20 to 500 pairs.
Yeah.
And the springbok on the right side, those really small tan and white antelope, they're actually fully grown at that size. They don't get any bigger than that at all. But they can leap up to 10 feet into the air.
Look at the baby giraffe
out here on the savannah because she's getting used to our truck. So I am driving by fully, which means very slowly.
Is that the daddy?
When a giraffe is born, it can be about 6 feet tall.
Yeah.
They can be 20 feet tall when they're fully grown, the tallest land animals in the world. These are Patterson's eland antelope on the left side, the tallest antelope
There's more
in
giraffes.
Africa. They can be about 6 feet tall at their shoulder when they're fully grown.
Yeah, look at
Our way
that.
fully, very slowly past all these animals. Beautiful view out here.
Yeah, it's eating.
Look at this.
The giraffes that live on our reserve are Maasai giraffes.
See it, Lucia?
So we are taking a little bit of a shortcut now. We're heading a little bit deeper into elephant territory
There it
out towards
goes.
the red clay pits. That's the part. Looks like we also found a beautiful lagoon.
It's cute.
So poor Hudson fell asleep before we could have lunch. It's really hot, but really, really humid. So we had lunch at Yak and Yeti Food Cafe. He slept through it. Scott and his dad had lunch there, and I got seasoned fries from Mr. Kamal's cart, and they were really good. Now it's raining again. We're just waiting for dinner at Tusker House. There he comes. There he is. Yeah. Good job. Come on. Come on. Come here. Go give him a hug. Yeah. Say thanks, Goofy. They were excited to meet you, Goofy. Yeah, she's excited. Are you gonna dance with him? All right. Say thanks, Goofy.
You're not afraid of him, are you?
Lucia, did you have fun meeting Goofy? That was so fun, wasn't it? Ready? Here he comes. It's Donna! Oh, you gotta step down. Step down, honey. All right. I'm so excited. That was so fun. Okay. Daisy Duck, Daisy Duck.
I got sugar.
Which one do you want? Blue?
There they are. The kids are so excited. Okay, he's gonna come. Hudson, you gotta calm yourself down. Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Can you tell Mickey we love watching you, Mickey Clubhouse and Mickey Race? So fun. Oh. Yeah, that's he can drink water. You so excited. You're so excited. Yeah, that's Mickey on your shirt. And on your shirt too, Hudson. You got Mickey. We love Mickey. I know, we need our Mickey shirt. I did already, yeah. All right, say thanks, Mickey. Can you give him a hug, bye? Give Mickey a hug, bye. Okay, she's coming, honey. He's saying I need to meet Daisy Duck. All right. Okay, bye, Mickey. Go give her a hug, buddy. Oh, Daisy says she likes your hair bows. They're so pretty. Yeah. All right. You tell. Say thank you so much.
That's it. 200 days.
Say we love you, Daisy. Thank you. Okay, tell her bye. Go tell Daisy bye. She's saying bye. Giving her 5? Okay. All right. All right, come on. Say thank you. Bye.
Everybody now. It's your birthday. Oh, let's do the just
Fab silly.